Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Take and Easy. Friends, for any business or our YouTube channel, we know branding is a very important thing. But logo play a very important role for our branding. That's why we must have to create a logo for our either business branding or for our YouTube channel branding. Okay, so but main question in my mind that how we can build a good logo or we can build a enriched logo which can be very much benefited for our either YouTube channel or for our business. That's why today I am going to show you the logo maker. This is the one of the best logo maker for the 2020. Okay, so you just keep watching my video that which logo maker I am talk about for this particular video. Now for the logo maker, first we have to download that particular logo maker. Already you can see that particular screenshot about our logo maker. For download these apps, first we have to go to the our Google Play Store. That's why first I have to go to the Google Play Store. After that I have to search that logo maker or logo creator. Then we have to download this particular logo. I am talking about this particular logo. Okay, this is the very interesting logo maker with which you can build a customized logo making, or you can build a customized logo for your business purposes or for your YouTube channels. Okay, so just you can see already I am installed that particular logo maker. Now I am go for demonstrate about this particular logo maker operation. Okay, you can see this is the I am talking about this particular logo maker. So how that logo maker or that particular logo maker can work. For this, first you have to go to the create section, and one thing is very important for that particular software is that using these apps you can build your or you can design your customized logo also. Okay, in this software or in these apps you can see that lots of predefined logo is there, but if you want you can design your own also, or you can build a customized logo also. So suppose for this is the your background. First I have to set our background. You can see this background is for the just normal background. If you want to add some color, then you just click into the background section. Next you can add any kind of color, either white or any kind of customized color you want, you can add it. And suppose instead of color you want to add some templates, that's also be happen in the background, or that also can be added for your the background of your logo. See here they have give you that particular they give you some predefined texture for your background. If you want you can add it this also, but suppose you want some your own background also, that's also be possible. For this just you have to go to your gallery. Okay, and just select some picture. See, you can add your background also, your own background also. Okay, so see first I am just go to the background section. Maybe our background is white. Okay, and one thing's very important for this logo maker is that sometimes for the YouTuber we want some the logo which don't have any background. Okay, that's also you can make. Means you can see you just go to the settings, and in the setting you have one option that called the opacity. If you change the opacity measurement like to 0, you can see your background is going to be the transparent. Okay, sometimes you want or you can build your logo in a transparent manner. That's why first I have to set the background. Next you have to go to the logo making option. Okay, suppose you are going to you can see lots of predefined logo will be there, you can available in this particular software. Suppose I am going to use that particular logo. Okay, and you can see already I am set the background for white. You may be change as per your choice. And after this you may add your text also. Suppose you can see you can add any kind of your company name or your YouTube channel name. For testing purposes I am just use the test. Okay, I am just add as a test. You can see you can change the position of your the text, or you can change your logo position also throughout the background. Suppose I am just using the text. Now what I have to be do, you can see lots of means you have the text style will be there. You can use any of your style. Lots of style you can use from this particular apps. Lots of texture will be available for this, so you can use any of them as per your choice. And you can change your color also. You can change the text color also for this. See, you can change your color. You may use some shadow, anything you use. If you want to use shadow, you can use the shadow. Lots of other things is there. That's why this is the very interesting and very one of the best logo making apps in the 2020. Okay, so this is in this way you can use the logo making. Suppose after making your logo, you can use this. If you are going to transparent your background, that's also be possible. Okay, see, if you are going to reduce your opacity into the 0, then your whole logo is going to be logo background will be the transparent. Okay, but if you increase your opacity measurement, then your background is as per your customized color. Okay, so now this is the predefined logo you can build for your company or for your YouTube channel. But sometimes you are going to design your own logo. That's also be possible for this particular apps. For this, suppose you are again, I am just delete all of these things. Now you are going to choose the shapes. Okay, suppose you are going to choose one shape for your logo. Now you have to be choose your color. See, okay. Next you may add some text either inside or above or button. Anything you can use as per your requirement, or you can increase the size or decrease the size. Anything you can build for that particular logo making apps. Anything you want, you can use this one. If you're going to reduce the size of the logo, that's also be possible. If already I am describe about that, you can change the text style or text color, etc. So that's why this is the very much beautiful logo making software you can use for either for your YouTube or for your business purposes. So after making your logo, just you have to be save this. You can see already your logo is made. Now you can share or you can use this logo for the YouTube channel or for use the businesses. Okay, so friends, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and please click the bell icon. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.